Hi folks, we're going to do a quick lesson on Venn diagrams. Let me just refresh your brain on Venn diagrams. It's when you have two events that occur and you could talk about how they possibly could overlap or have things in common. I'm going to give you an example on the back of the page here, but let's just talk about notation really quick. When you see something about an intersection of a set S and a set B, for example, like we're showing right here, where this is S, this first circle is S and the second circle is B. And we have, they call written as S intersect B, is read S intersect B. It consists of anything that lies in both S and B. So if I look at a Venn diagram and I want to know what's in both, that's where they overlap. That's what the intersect is, the part where they overlap. The union, which is the second part here, the union of S and B is written as a U. See it right here? It's a U. Okay? So the intersect was an upside down U. The union is S and B. And I think of the union as all of S and all of B being one big happy family. It consists of the elements that are both are in either S or B. So it could be in either S, it could be in either B, or it could be in both. So we're going to highlight all of them. Okay, the complement of the set S, which we already kind of talked about, is where you have that little C. And that is put right up, it's like a superscript of S, and is read as S complement. It consists of the elements that are not in set S. So this circle represents set S. I want everything that's not in it. So if I highlight, I'm going to highlight the B part that's not overlapped with the S, and anything outside of it actually as well. And we'll talk more about what can happen outside of a Venn diagram tomorrow. Okay? So that's the complement. All right, let's go to the back page. An online book store offers a large selection of books. Some of the books are works of fiction and some are not. Also, some of the books are available as ebooks and some are not. So let F be the set of books that are fiction. So this is my fiction circle in my example. And the E represents my ebooks. Okay, and that's it. So F is fiction, E is ebooks. Venn diagrams are provided. Shade the region that represents books that satisfy the following, and then write the scenario. I just want you to do some shading with a symbol, real quick, okay? So anything that's available as an ebook. Okay, so we're going to shade the whole E circle real quick, and the symbol for that is E. Anything that is not works of fiction. So anything that is outside my fiction circle. Okay, it's shaded. Oops, got my pen. And this is F. The little C means the complement of F. Anything that is not fiction. Okay. Works of fiction and available as ebooks. Okay, now because we have the word and, that means it has to be both. That's the part that overlaps. And that is your intersection. And in this case, I know I've said and is multiply, but we're not talking about multiplying two things here. We're talking about fiction and available as an ebook. That's where they overlap. Works of fiction or could be fiction, ebooks, or both. This is the union. This is where I got everything, all fiction, or all ebooks, or where they overlap. So this is going to be my or, and this is going to be my and right here. Okay. Neither works of fiction nor available as ebooks. So I don't want fiction, and I don't want ebooks. So I don't highlight or or shade the circles I shade outside. And I did it this way. I said, okay, fiction and ebooks, and then I put a parenthesis around it, and I put a big C, because it means the unions, not the unions of the fiction and the ebooks, or the ebooks, okay? And all books available online. That is every single thing in there. Fiction, ebooks, or things that are non-fiction or ebooks, because I have fiction, so some books that are non-fiction, documentary books, whatever, any of that stuff. So that is the whole entire thing, which is just a big U, okay? We sometimes call that the universal set. All right, that's all for today. I will talk to you tomorrow. Peace.